Hello traders, welcome once again to the new video by Flash Trade 1. In this video we are going to see that on the basis of 7 different confirmation how Flash Trade 1 decided to sell Euro USD in morning. So today you can see that the date of 19th November 2020 at 15 GMT there was ECB European Central Bank President Lagarde's speech, and she has nothing good to offer the economy. She has only two options with her. The first one is she has to do the stimulus package because of coronavirus, because of GDP issues, because of manufacturing sectors, and it will went into the printing the new euros, which is obviously not good for the economy. And the second one is doing the rate cut. Second option is she can do is rate cut, which may decrease the pride of European countries. So neither of them was good for the economy. So there are the chances, and we are so sure that Euro USD will go into sell. So based on that, this is our Flash Trade 1 major news trading telegram channel, and let me confirm the date. You can see that the date is today 19th November, and on 19th November we have given a sell Euro USD signal, and the reason for selling is the same that we discussed just now, and we have also given the trading levels to sell the euro. So our first confirmation is the news which tells that you should, or any trader should, sell the Euro USD. Now there is the second confirmation from our currency strength indicator, where you can see right now, as of now, Euro USD is showing the 50% of weakness. Right now it is 50% of weakness, but when it was in morning, then it was showing the weakness of more than 80%, and based on that it has given a sell indication in morning, and from 1.185 to it went down to 1.181. so 40 pips safe gain in Euro USD was made today. Then this was the second confirmation from our currency strength indicator. The third confirmation was from our, this is our multiple in one trend indicator, where it has already given the sell indication. So we got confidence that we should sell, we should go for sell Euro USD. Then the fourth confirmation was from our break-even indicator, where if these dots are below 0, that it means that you should go for sell, and if the dots are below 0 or blue, then it seems that you should go for buy. We have got the sell confirmation from here, so we have given a sell Euro USD signal in morning. Then the fifth confirmation is from our volume indicator, where you can see that this yellow close lines shows that there is the strong volume in sell for Euro USD. These are the chart for Euro USD. You can see that this is the chart for Euro USD, and this is the H1 chart. Now our sixth confirmation was from our support and resistance indicator, where here resistance bar was shown in Euro USD from yesterday, and it is still showing the sell. So this is the sixth confirmation from our support and resistance indicator, where it is in sell indication, where this bars shows the sell indication. So we have given today sell Euro USD in morning. And the last is our volume indicator, where the volume data is collected from 20 different brokers, and then on the basis of those data we decide that either one should sell or buy. The data is collected in different time frame. You can see that it is in day, H4, H1, M30, M15, M5 and M1. In all the time frames the data are shown, and you can see that if you are a day trader, then H4, H1 all are showing the 40 to 50% of weakness. It seems that you should go for sell Euro USD. The data right now a little bit different from the morning, but you can see that there are these 7 different parameters are chosen, and then we give the signal in our MT4 in our Telegram channel. This is our Telegram channel. So this is not just for sell Euro USD. All the signals that we give on Telegram channel are confirmed with 7 different parameters that we just discussed now, and then we give the signal. The signals that we are giving are not posted randomly. They are posted after analysis from different indicators from different brokers, and then we post the signal. The indicators that we just discussed right now, you can see all the indicators on our MT4 Telegram channel, which is you can just search as @MT4 tools, and you will be able to see all our indicators here. One click indicator, you can check our currency strength indicator, you can go for our support and resistance indicator. This is our volume indicator, which is as same as this. Let me show. This and this both are same, where the data are collected from 20 different volume data are collected from different 20 brokers, and then the results are shown. Then this is our multiple in one trend indicator. So all the different indicators you can see on our MT4 channel, and you can even purchase this indicator if you want, and this setup is also purchasable. You can purchase this entire setup, and you can apply the same setup on your MT4 so that you can also get the 7 different confirmation before you trade any pair. So this is how this entire setup work. If you have any query regarding setup, or if you want to apply the same setup in your MT4, or you want us that we trade with the same setup in your MT4, we do everything on behalf of you, then you just contact us now. Goodbye, take care, and have a happy trading. Bye bye.